Good morning. Welcome to another Mindful Monday. It's amazing that in a moment, the perspective can shift. Sometimes it's just finding a place to ground, maybe set an intention. Maybe it's allowing yourself to feel the grass on your hands or on your feet. Getting out of that office space that maybe we've become accustomed to. I feel like that is where life is, all of life is. Just being able to recognize in a moment of hearing nature, the moving world, we can bring ourselves back to an awareness that's in the present moment, not being overwhelmed by future content and things we have to get done and will get done, not being bogged down by past experiences, taking them as lessons rather than losses, just feeling the grass, noticing the trees moving. Whoever needed this today, I hope you find that place of grounding and continue on your journey through this experience of life. Remember, breathe deeply, live fully. Have a great week. And please pass this on to someone who may need it.